Welcome to Alliance Door Engineering Training videos. In this video we will be installing our Series 37 Phoenix fire shutter. To begin, measure the opening, to ensure it corresponds with the drawings provided. Mark the flag section to correspond with the back of angles measurements indicated on the drawings. Mark the point at which the hole is to be drilled for the fixings. Then drill the fixing hole. Place the flag section in place and ensure it is plumb and level with the spirit level. Mark the remainder of the fixing slots at the top of the fixing point. Then drill the remainder of the holes. This clip highlights exactly how the fixings should be aligned with the pre-punched holes on the flag. Now attach all the fixings to the full length of the flag. Now measure the back of angles and mark up for the second flag section to be installed. Mark up where the first drill hole is to be made. Attach the flag with one fixing. Now measure the back of angles at the bottom and top to ensure they are positioned correctly as detailed in the drawing. Once happy, mark up and drill the remainder of the fixing holes. Now attach the remainder of the fixings at the top of the pre-punched flag holes. Offer up the barrel assembly and bolt into position. All fixings are provided for this. This clip shows how the M8 bolts are to be attached. Fed from the outside of the end plate and bolted on the inside. Using a limit setting tool, open the top and bottom limit settings of the motor control. Ensure all fixings are appropriately tightened. Now attach the internal end plate with the fixings provided. There are 6 fixings to attach. Now attach the front plate. There are 2 fixings needed. Ensure all fixings are tightened. The video shows how the 6 fixings are inserted to secure the internal end plate. Ensure all are tightened. Once they are tightened, check there is a clear gap between the plate and the barrel, enabling the barrel to rotate freely. Connect the motor cable to a power supply. Ensure the motor is rotating upwards and downwards. Disconnect the motor cable from the power. Feed the cable through the back of the flag and attach to the power supply. Ensure that the motor is in the closed direction until it stops on the bottom limit. Offer up the top section of lath to the barrel and bolt into position using the fixings provided. Slide in the next section of lath. Note the end locks that need to be tapped down to secure the lath in position. Continue attaching all the sections of lath and securing into position. Now raise the shutter to enable you to add the last section of lath. Raise the shutter as we now need to attach the guides. Feed the bottom section of lath into the guide and place the guide into position. Repeat this on the other side. Fix the guides onto the flag section using M8 countersunk guide screws that are provided. Feed the screw from the inside of the guide to the outside of the flag and fix with the washer and bolt. Then tighten appropriately. Repeat this for the other guide section. You may need to open the shutter further to clear the top fixing holes. Again, ensure all fixings are tightened. Operate the shutter and set the bottom and top limits. Use a screwdriver to alter the motor limit as required. Now install the fire panel and the key switch. All wiring diagrams are available for all of our fire panels and activation equipment. Once the key switch or push button is installed, ensure they operate the shutter correctly. Now activate the fire panel, full details in the wiring diagrams, to ensure the panel activates the shutter to close, when activated by the fire alarm. Once all testing is completed, complete the installation of the fire panel. Put the final front plate on, and attach using the fixings provided. Ensure all fixings are appropriately tightened. Place the canopy over the end plate cleats, ensuring an even overlap each side. Use the fixings provided to secure the canopy in place. There is one fixing at the top and two at the bottom. To secure the top of the canopy, holes are then drilled into the structure, aligned with the pre-drilled holes on the canopy. The video then shows how the M10 canopy bolts are installed, ensuring the canopy is attached to the structure. Fully operate the door into the open and closed position. Make sure the door operates smoothly and the limits are set correctly. Finally, ensure the CE badge is fitted.